Hello and welcome to CI in Under 5. My name is John Weezy, and in this episode I'm going to introduce you to a new feature that has just rolled into our trial environments and will be rolling over into production soon. This is a feature around built-in reports. So you will see in a new trial that you have a reports button on the left-hand side in the menu. When you click on that, you'll see that I have no reports set up. So the easiest thing to do is create a new report. And as it tells me, I have to do this from the entity page. So if I go to the data and entities, and I pick the entity that I'm going to want to use. In this case, I'm going to use the customer, the unified profile entity. It's the easiest one to demo with, and very easy to use. You'll see that I have a button on the top now, blank report. And I also can see any reports that have been created on this entity and create a new report from there as well. And this is going to go ahead and open up the Power BI embedded. So this should look very familiar to people. I'm going to start with a simple pie chart. So this pie chart, I'm just going to do something simple like grab gender, drop that into the values, drop it into the legend, and now I can see the breakdown of my profiles by gender. The next thing I'm going to do is add a bar chart. And here what I'm going to do is we'll just see what the breakdown is by state. So if we grab state and put that in our values as well, we get a nice breakdown of where all of our folks are located. And then, we'll just for fun, we'll throw one more on here. We'll do a filled map, and we'll go ahead and grab that as well. And here what we'll do is we'll do state, and we'll do where is it? We will do our rewards points, I think is another good one. And we'll do that by... Actually, the easiest way is just going to be check it. And now if we zoom in and we hover over a state, we can see the rewards points that are earned by anybody in that state. If we wanted to, we could also add rewards points to the legend. And if you're familiar with how Power BI works, now we have a nice little map that's all color-coded. So we can find out that Michigan has 11, which is why it matches that color, and so on. So once we've done that, the next step is saving it. So we'll just call it customer data. And it's going to go ahead and save that, and then we can go ahead and close it. And you'll see that it now shows up on our reports here. We can edit it, we can view it, but it also shows up back over here. So now we have on our reports preview, here we have all the reports that we create on any entity will show up here, and I can go and quickly view them from this location. So from here I can pull it up and I can see my report. So there you go. That is a quick walkthrough of the new reporting feature coming to Customer Insights, available today in a new trial if you spin one up, and soon in production. Hope you enjoyed this episode and tune in for our next one.